Some homes have history, others have charm. This one has both and so much more. Let me show you around. Welcome to 12 Irving Street, where timeless elegance of 1924 meets the comfort and convenience of modern living in one of North Asheville's most sought-after locations. This home is surrounded by natural beauty. While the winter season hides its true splendor, come spring, you'll be greeted by a vibrant display of Japanese maple, Carolina cypress, limelight hydrangeas, and many more perennials that create a symphony of color and texture. The custom stonework entry adds a welcoming and timeless ambiance. Inside, this home opens into a vaulted great room with 14-foot ceilings. Every detail from vintage lighting to elegant molding has been carefully preserved and restored to honor its historic roots. The primary suite offers a perfect retreat, complete with an ensuite bath featuring a soaking tub and the warm comfort of heated floors. Every corner of this home has been lovingly curated, from the sunlit garden room to the intricate details like the carriage house hardware and stained glass windows. Each feature blends artistry with function. With original hardwood floors and updated windows, this home masterfully combines its historic charm with modern upgrades, seamlessly marrying timeless craftsmanship with contemporary elegance. History lives here, reimagined for today. If you're ready to write the next chapter, let's make this home yours.